Do you know on 2nd November 1932, early morning, Australia made a strange decision. The government sent the army to fight an unexpected enemy. This enemy was not human, not armed, not trained. It was thousands of wild emus destroying farms daily. Soldiers arrived confidently with machine guns. They believed the fight would end in minutes. But emus moved fast and split into groups. They ran in zigzag patterns, avoiding bullets easily. Guns jammed, bullets wasted, soldiers confused. One emu survived multiple shots and escaped. Days passed, bullets finished, no victory achieved. Finally, the army quietly retreated. History recorded it as the Great Emu War. Australia officially lost to birds.